Hey guys, welcome to Forex Beginner's Guide, video 104. On today's topic, I will be covering what is a stop loss. So, a stop loss, also referred as SL, is a risk management tool that automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you by a certain amount. It's designed to limit your potential loss, ensuring that you don't lose more than you're willing to in any given trade. Think of it as a safety net. While take profit locks in profits when the market moves in your favor, the stop loss protects you from major losses in if the market moves in the opposite direction. How does stop loss work in XAUSD, also known as gold? If the price of gold falls and reaches, let's say, 1790, and you've entered a trade at 1800, your trade will automatically close, limiting your loss to $100 per ounce. Okay, since it's only dropped by about 100 pips, you will only lose based on your investment that you've done the certain amount. So if you buy gold at 1800 and you expect the price to rise, but the price drops to 1790, it will stop your trade right there, limiting your loss. Why is stop loss important in trading gold? So, firstly, emotional control. Trading can be emotional. A stop loss prevents you from making impulsive decisions like holding on to a losing trade in the hope that the market will turn around. It allows you to stick to your trading plan. Okay. Second thing, risk management. The primary purpose of stop loss is to help you manage your risk. It ensures you don't lose more than you're comfortable with on one single trade, which is essentially when trading is volatile and assets like gold move, you want to make sure that you're following risk management. The third point is discipline. Losing is part of trading. You can't expect to be part of this industry and think that you're never going to lose, right? But the key is to manage your losses. A stop loss helps you preserve your capital, which is essential for long-term success in the market. So examples of a stop loss in action when you're trading gold. Imagine you put in a trade for a buy at 1800 and you put a stop loss at 1790. If the price falls to 1790, as already said, your trade will automatically stop. But if the price doesn't hit your stop loss and instead rises, you continue holding your position with the potential for your profit. That's how the stop loss will help you. It not only protects you, but it gives you a range that you give some space to the trade. If it goes in that direction and it turns, you're still there's still potential for your profit. But if it goes beyond that, the trade will automatically stop and you won't lose more than what you're willing to lose. So a stop loss versus take profit. Using both stop loss and take profit together allows you to define your risk and set your profit targets ahead of your time. Stop loss limits your losses when the market moves against you. Take profit locks in your profits when the market moves in your favor. If you haven't watched video 103 explaining take profit, go watch that now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.